Hi, I'm Rishay Bidesi. I'm the Manager and Head of Litigation and Insolvency at Francois Ace Incorporated. Today we will be discussing voluntary surrender and the processes thereof. Voluntary surrender is the process whereby a person declares themselves insolvent by approaching the High Court of South Africa to declare their estate insolvent by surrendering certain assets to the estate. The Master of the High Court would then approach a curator to administer the estate in terms of the Insolvency Act. The process whereby a person obtains a voluntary surrender order is very simple. A person would usually approach an attorney qualified in this field to do an advertisement in the Government Gazette whereby the process kicks off. Once this advertisement is done, no creditor may take any action whatsoever against you. Your salary may not be garnished and no summons or auctions that are currently in process may be finalized. After this advertisement, a statement of affairs along with a sworn affidavit by the client will be completed, stating what assets and liabilities are on the client's name. A full list of creditors and the amounts due to these creditors will be put before the court, along with the sworn affidavit stating reasons for insolvency. The court will then have a look at these along with the advertisement placed and notice to all creditors and provide a sequestration order in this regard. Once this order is obtained, a person is declared insolvent and is officially sequestrated. At this point, the curator for the estate is appointed, and the curator would then look at attaching such assets as mentioned in the affidavit and statement of affairs in order to pay your creditors a certain dividend. Currently, this dividend is 20 cents per rand. The way to bring a voluntary surrender of estate to an end is to do an application called a rehabilitation of estate. Rehabilitation of estate can happen after a period of either 6 months or 4 years or 10 years if you were to automatically rehabilitate.
This video is intended for informative purposes only and should not be considered as legal advice specific to your needs. Please arrange a first free consultation to consult one of our attorneys in person.